It has never been simpler to be a DIYer thanks to these clever tools. In this video, we'll show you some brilliant and outstanding tools that can change our hard work into smart work. Sit back, observe, and choose the ideal tools to make your life easy and efficient. 𝗨𝗨𝗏. Thanks to this amazing tool, you can measure linear lines, curves, and complicated surfaces. By reducing the difficulties of a conventional ruler, a new method is presented to measure. The 𝗨𝗨𝗏 is a small equipment that is easy to use. Press and hold the back button while rolling it over a surface. It generates and retains precise measurements. 𝗨𝗨𝗏 is suitable for everyone, whether a developer or a tech enthusiast. Yes, you heard right, everyone. 𝗨𝗨𝗏 comes with a real leather casing that easily attaches to your keychain. This combination of premium materials, precise machinery, stainless steel frame, and a mind-blowing design can help you in every measurement. 𝗨𝗨𝗏's unique user interface allows everyone to measure in various units, making it a cool, shocking tool. The future can only be transformed into a world of efficiency with the user's interface, so everyone should try this pocket-friendly product. Hand Riveter. The faithful lazy tong, also known as a concertina riveter, is a strong nailing instrument that can be operated with just one hand without losing human efficiency. The lever motion of the lazy tong riveter decreases the effort and force necessary to fix screws. It also allows the instrument to be used for prolonged periods with less user stress. It has 5 replaceable nozzles of all rivet sizes, including 2.4, 3.2, 4, 4.8, or 6.4 millimeter diameters, which looks like a handy tool for many individuals. Shaper Origin. Shaper Origin is an effortless portable CNC cutter that adds digital accuracy to woodworking. Shaper Origin contains a few tricks to help make the required real-time changes to guarantee accurate information. Its simple touch-sensitive screen interface allows you to create content on the spot or attach current ideas easily. Its size is so practical that it can be used in the shop or taken along anywhere. Using Shaper Origin's current equipment and traditional processes, it simplifies and improves the creation of beautiful furniture like wood cabinets, dining tables, and elegant style beds. It can also create flawless joints and inlays for woodworking. There are 3 essential steps to operate with Shaper Origin to make perfect cutting. Firstly, construct a map in your mind, then insert it in digital assets, and at the end, use the tool to make furniture. There is no need for a computer or programming. You may use the design software which is fitted to your device. Before cutting, use the straightforward tool settings to position your pattern. Direct the Shaper Origin to perform real-time changes to achieve clean and precise results. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 311 Automotive Paint Meter. The new 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 311 Automotive Paint Meter is the quickest paint analyzer scale in the market nowadays. This device's main purpose is to measure paint thickness instantaneously and provide an indication of the overall quality of the paint job. The new 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 311 does more than measure thickness. In combination with the paint quality, it also shows the main statistical data required to evaluate the overall state of the paintwork. This data includes the number of measurements, the typical covering depth, the least paint diameter, and the 𝗏𝗏𝗃 index value. You can connect this device to any PC, Android, or iOS mobile device. This device transfers the thickness result over Bluetooth or directly to your assessment program as every measure is performed. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 crosses steel and aluminum surfaces immediately and is suitable to be utilized at any temperature, whether it is room temperature or above it. This instrument swiftly identifies car damage, including vehicle collision breakage, vehicle repainting, filled bodywork, or concealed repairs, which is very useful nowadays. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 is a light-activated adhesive product that works where superglue does not. It's a liquid silicone that solidifies in 4 seconds using sunlight because it is not a sealant. It remains liquid for a long time and does not currently dry out like other adhesives on the market. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 is a 4-step procedure for repairing various surfaces, which includes cleaning, filling, repairing, and securing. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 is the only substance that may be used after glue. It's a fluid plastic that solidifies itself on the spot. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 may be utilized in various settings, including residential and workplaces. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 operates on steel, hardwood, plastics, limestone, crystal, clay, and other materials. They can also be machined, punched, cleaned, and coated after hardness. Bondic is used on everything that has to be glued, mended, corrected, or even reconstructed. 𝗬𝗏𝗃𝗃 DIY Roller Stand. The multi-purpose supporting stand and slider girder is perfect for holding, loading, and rolling off large floorboards, slabs, or panels. Due to its permanently height-adjustable underframe, it is suitable for all commonly produced machine stands and storage units. Increase the support structure of your working table up to 300 millimeters. You can also support lengthy metal pieces by using this solid machine table. Shift to support 90 degrees to switch to the mounted spherical roller bearings. The spherical supports allow the product to slide, which is accessible to move it in all conceivable operating positions. With just another 90-degree rotation, you change to the moving support. It makes moving the material in the longitudinal axis smoother. When you are finished with your work, you can wind up the multifunction supporting system in a short time. The Magic Creeper. The Magic Creeper is the most adaptable material ever. It contains the most comfortability factor that represents a revolution in creeper innovation. The device owns an unusual tubular design that functions as an everlasting product. The ultra-smooth inner layer functions like millions of tiny rolling elements inside it, making smooth movement on rough or irregular ground. The outer layer is water and grease repellent and has a maximum stiffness. The durable middle layer offers comfort and temperature shielding. The typical issues with traditional creepers are that they are uncomfortable and hefty. Because of its smaller size and low mass, the Magic Creeper is simple to pack and transport. The Magic Creeper has no downforce, so rough land is not a big issue. The Magical Creeper will not affect the dirty or solid floors because they are not having any shine to be dull. It will scratch only costly floors because they are very sensitive. The Magical Creeper remains where you place it. It's simple to lie on or get up from the Magical Creeper, and it won't stick to your back. The Magic Creeper has a slot for your equipment, so they're easily accessible. There aren't any wheels or other elements to replace. Probst Vacuum Lifter. Most laborers use vacuum lifters to raise their wide range of materials. This strong equipment can raise cement slabs, natural stones, ceramics, and other building materials. They are electrically powered and may be utilized while placing. However, while standing, a professional can only lift roughly up to 25 kg. The impact is twice in an upright posture. On the other hand, vacuum lifter can accomplish much more than that. Vacuum lifters consist of a variety of solo and duo carrying grips. You can now take advantage of the full-capacity vacuum lifters weighing more than 120 kg and operate in a body-friendly posture alone or with couples. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. The 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is a multifunctional, ultra-productive circular saw that can cut timber, floors, plastics, tiles, granite, aluminum, and sometimes even hard metal sheets. The 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is lighter, slim, and has a symmetrical style suitable for daily cuts. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 isn't just any old trimming cutter. Operating with one hand and balancing nicely in your palm is easy. It effectively collects dirt, features razor-sharp edges, and the cutting depth regulator works quite well. It effortlessly creates diving cuts in hardwood, drywall, and other materials, allowing you to make accurate slots for switches and plugs. It requires 2 hexagon keys to replace the cutting tool. The device never misplaces the particular screw and also consists of a laser. The laser is amazing. It is battery-powered and has no switching lock. When the worker faces hurdles with the device during cutting, the laser in the storage bag is switched on and displays the perfect line. Vulcan 500C. Vulcan 500C delivers the finest quality in laser cleaning materials due to its configurable operating settings, fiber laser endurance, and high pulse strength. Vulcan 500C module includes a 500-watt pulsing fiber laser. It also consists of a durable galvanometer and a small scan device that is comfortably handheld. The kit includes a handy galvanometer-based scan unit that enables the user to adjust the beam's emission up to 90 degrees. Vulcan 500cc has high standard security controls and easy coordination, which allows the user for speedy functioning and unlocks the maximum capabilities for coating paint on the panel surfaces. It prepares and removes the paint from surfaces as well. Brush Grubber. Brush Grubber is designed for harsh situations, which removes buckthorn and other shallow-rooted harmful species attached to the plants. This device is connected to lightweight tractors or small or big vehicles. This product clears small logs and performs up to 5 inches deeper. The powerful teeth of this device spread their handles broadly to grab big debris and branches. The thick brushes make jaw movement easier. You can clear roots with this gadget, which comprises heavy-duty 1-inch steel and 18 spinning suction pads for a tight hold. Just tie it to a tree, connect the other end to your truck, then press your vehicle's accelerator to tear the shrub out of the soil. 𝗲𝗲matic Cleaner. The 𝗲𝗲matic Cleaner was designed and built in Switzerland. It is particularly intended for the needs of the construction sector and assists you in maintaining your commercial vehicles timely and costly. The building sector uses large trucks and heavy constructing vehicles that must be washed and serviced. The management of a trucking industry costs money and time. 𝗲𝗲matic Cleaner could eliminate these two factors using 𝗲𝗲matic's cleaning service technology. The underbody of a car is frequently ignored, despite being subjected to substantial waste such as dust, oil, fats, and scars. The dirt and the debris attached to the vehicle develop another coating. This coating generates too much heat, which may cause liquid disintegration and possibly hardware damage. Maintaining a clean frame is easy by utilizing this device. 𝗲𝗲matic cleaners are pressure washer accessories attached to a specific broom that stream water uniformly. As it quickly rotates around the covered disc, smaller injectors on the tip of a rotating arm generate a smooth path. The water comes out from the nozzles with great pressure, which removes the stain from the panels quicker and easier. If you liked the video, check out this video 12 inventions that will blow your mind.